Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subscription plan not updating on OpenArt. So if your platform subscription plan isn't updating, it's usually a sync issue between payments, account login and OpenArt's billing system. So actually guys, first you will need to confirm that the payments actually went through, and that's the most important part. So sometimes the plan doesn't update because the payment is still pending or failed. So you'll need to check your bank card transaction and your PayPal or Apple Pay receipt if you are using them, and even your email confirmation from OpenArt. If no confirmation, that means the subscription didn't activate yet. Also guys, I really advise to log out and log back in to force the sync. So your account may not have refreshed billing status, so you will need just to go and click on your profile picture that's located at the top right of the website, and then just go with sign out and log back in again. And even you can just close the browser completely from here and then reopen it and log back in using the same method, Google email plus password or Apple. So many users see plan updates immediately after this. Also guys, you will need to make sure that you are using the correct account, and that's a very common issue. So you paid with Google login but you are logged in with email login or vice versa. So the fix is try all login methods you may have used and check the profile email carefully. If that's not the case, you can go and try that fix that I'm going to show you. Go ahead and click on the Opera icon that's located at the top left. If you are using any other browser, you will find three dots at the top right corner right here. So just click them and go and navigate to the settings option, click it, and then go with privacy and security option that you can find on the left hand menu in all browsers, and then just go with delete browsing data and the privacy and security section, click it and click delete data, then go back to the OpenAI and try to sign in again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.